Adventure's in our DNA. We've ridden through remote hill tribes in Laos, tackled the jungles of Cambodia, and carved our way through Vietnam's misty mountain passes around Sapa and the Ha Giang Loop. We've dodged livestock, patched punctures in the middle of nowhere, and bodged together repairs with whatever we had on hand at the time. Every trip for us has been about freedom of the open road, exploring new places, and creating stories that we'll remember into old age. For me, that's what riding has always been about. But lately the part of me that craves the unknown has been itching to try something new. Ever since I watched Ewan McGregor and Charlie Boorman take on the long way down and long way round when I was younger, I've dreamed of owning a BMW adventure bike. Something that's built for the back roads, wild places, and can take you on to places that you'll tell stories for years after. I've owned adventure bikes before, and we've ridden on some massive adventures around Asia, but for the last 5 or 10 years I've been riding purely on road, and now I want to get back to where it all started, chasing that adventure. So here's the challenge. Starting with just $1,000, I'm going to buy, sell and flip my way to my dream bike, a BMW GS adventure bike, which can cost up to $25,000. The goal's simple. Every dollar that I make gets me one step closer to that dream bike. But like any great journey, it's the road in between that really matters. I'm going to start by focusing on the things I know really well and know the value of well. The plan's to buy low and sell high, and today I went out to my first garage sale and I found these. These are 2 golf clubs that I know will fetch me a pretty good price. So the first one here is a Ping Zing 2 vintage putter. I know that these sell really well, I know that they're really sought after, and I managed to pick this up for just $40. Now I've had a look and they've been selling for between $100 and $200. So I've cleaned this up, I've put it on eBay, and it actually already has a bid of $100. The other club here, it's a vintage Ben Hogan sand wedge, the shore out wedge. And I know that these are really sought after as well for collectors. I managed to pick this up for $5, and I know that they've been going online for upwards of $50. So I've popped that up on eBay as well, and we'll see what happens with that. And just like that, they're listed. The Ping putter, as I said, already has bids over $100 within the first half an hour of listing. And if they sell for what I'm expecting, I'm already going to be over $1,200 and one step closer to that BMW. So it feels good to be doing something different again, a new kind of adventure. It's not crossing borders and chasing sunsets this time, but it's chasing a different goal. I've always loved the process of building something from the ground up, whether it's my photography and videography business, a creative project, our villa in Bali, and now this crazy idea of turning $1,000 into my dream bike. It's going to be a lot of scrolling, a lot of haggling, and a ton of coffee, but honestly, it's fun. There's something addictive about that hustle culture and finding value where other people may not see it. And I really enjoy this sort of thing. So the first flips, they're going to be small, but they're a start, and every little bit adds a little bit of momentum and a little bit more money towards that dream bike. And one day, it's not just going to be a dream, I'm going to be riding away on that BMW. So this is where it starts. $1,000, a couple of golf clubs, and a dream. So let's see where it goes. I hope you come along for the ride, and yeah, I'd love for you guys to subscribe and follow along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.